Hey besties, welcome back. I always get asked about my nails, and crazy enough, one of my favorite sets ended up going viral on our Instagram page. So I thought it'd be a perfect opportunity to show you guys exactly how I achieved this gorgeous set. Let's get to it. For today's look, I'll be using the Glam & Glitz acrylic line and EMA monomer. The colors I'll be using are Ultra White, Medium Blush, Pink Moscato, which is one of my favorites, Jaunty, and Clear Acrylic. And if you guys are interested in getting these products, use code YTBestie for 10% off on glamandglitz.com. Now as you can see, I'm starting off with my nails already prepped and shaped with tips. If you want a step-by-step tutorial on how I got here and how to avoid lifting, then head over to our How To Prep video by clicking the link right above. Before the clear dries completely, I like to pinch the sides of my tip slightly just to enhance the C-curve. I do this with almost every set because I personally think it makes my nails look prettier and more natural. Okay, for this set, I'm going to start off with the glitter ombre on my pinky. I'm going to grab a small bead of medium blush and place it where I want to start building my apex. Remember to place your apex at the stress point so you can give your nail more strength. I'll let gravity help me move the product down to the free edge, but use the body of the acrylic brush to ensure it's smooth. Then I'm going to grab a bead of Pink Moscato and place it near the cuticle without touching the skin. Now with very light pressure, I'm going to blend the glitter down slightly and create that really pretty ombre effect. For my second look, I'm going to place a medium-sized bead of medium blush and use that on my entire nail. I'll start off placing it on my nail bed, and with my brush, spread it down slightly to the free edge. I'll grab a few more small beads just to fill in the areas that help build my apex and structure. Then I'll just let it dry. For my third finger, I'll be doing a super easy, quick marbling technique. For this look, I'll need Ultra White, Medium Blush, Pink Moscato, and Clear. With this technique, you always want to start with your lighter colors and make sure you're working your way to the darker ones. So first, I'll dip my acrylic brush into Clear, Ultra White, and then Medium Blush. Once I have a little bit of each color, I'm going to place it on my nail bed and start working it in a slight diagonal angle. Then I'll grab my bead of Pink Moscato and lay it underneath for some depth. I'm going to repeat the same steps until my nail is completely covered and allow it to dry while I finish my other nails. I love Pink Moscato so much and it's going to complement this look so well, so I'll apply it to this entire nail. Using the body of my brush, I'm going to work this product down to the free edge. Now for my thumb, I'll be using medium blush on the entire nail again. But on this one, I'll be adding a little bit of dimension with my ultimate favorite glitter, Jaunty. You can use this color on top of anything, and I guarantee you it's going to make the look incredible. It's one of the best-selling glitters we have available, and honestly, it's just an obsession for me. It's time to encapsulate our design and protect it from filing. I'm going to add a thin layer of clear to all my nails except for the marble one. We'll eventually encapsulate it, but there's one more step before we do so. With my clear, I'm making sure to cover every little nook and cranny of the nail to make sure everything is protected, especially my glitter because I want that one to be super sparkly. Now we go back to my marble. To reveal a really nice marble design, I'm going to use my e-file and drill a bit to remove a thin layer and smooth everything out. Look at these lines and how they stand out so much more now. I'm really happy with the way my marble looks, so I can go in with my clear and encapsulate this design. Once my clear is dry, we're ready to shape, file, and buff. First, I'll use my medium grit ceramic bit to sculpt the nail into a perfect stiletto shape. And then I'll go in with my sanding bit to prepare the nails for top coat. Now this is my favorite part. I'm ready to bring these nails to life with my ultimate favorite top coat, the Kiara Sky non-wipe top coat. It gives me an incredible shine and it's a non-wipe, so the moment it comes out of the lamp, it's ready to go. I'm going to apply this to all my nails and cure for a full 60 seconds under my Beyond Pro LED lamp. I'm obsessed with this design, but it wouldn't be mine if I didn't add a little bit of bling. So using the Kiara Sky top coat, I'm going to place a little small triangle shape on my cuticle and place a few little rhinestones just for some extra bling. I want to make sure these stay on until my next set, so I'll apply another layer of non-wipe top coat around the stones and down to the free edge and cure for another 60 seconds. And finally, I'll apply Nourish oil to my cuticles and I'm all done. There you have it, besties. What do you think? I'm in love with this set and I'm so glad you guys loved it too. If you recreate this look, please make sure to tag us on Instagram by using the hashtag #GlamAndGlitz or hashtag KiaraSky. I love seeing your recreations and looks. Thanks for joining me today, besties. If you haven't done so yet, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell to be notified when we post another video just like this one. Until next time, bye bestie.